Hi, welcome to OKTOPI.ai. I'm Dunya, the academic manager, and I'm going to show you how to easily register as a student if you have been invited to join a certain class. Simply enter the class link that has been sent to you, and you will see that there is a pop-up that tells you that this is an invitation to join a class and to log in using your OKTOPI student account to proceed. Click OK, and then press Sign Up Now. After doing so, when you are choosing your account type, choose Student Account. Then you can register with any of the following options, either by signing in to Facebook and Google, so your Gmail, as you would to these accounts, or by clicking Email ID. Then you would just enter an email that you have and press the arrow key. When you do so, you'll be receiving a verification code by email. The reason we do this is to keep your account as secure as possible. Select the verification code from your email and enter it where it says Enter Verification Code. Then press Continue. You've now reached the final step, which is just to enter some account details, like your first and last name, the country that you reside in, and to enter a password. When you are choosing the password you want to enter, make sure that it has upper and lower cases and some number to keep your account as secure as possible. Once you're done, press Continue and enjoy your class.